to my channel. My name is Marley. If you are new, we are installing this wig from Beauty Forever. Look at how pretty. This is a new vibe for me. As you can see, I don't have my colored contacts in. I really want to try like a semi-natural type of beat. Did I over bleach the knots? Of course I did. But don't worry, we will fix that. I'm very excited to see how this is gonna look. I don't know. I'm thinking of just leaving it like this. I look so funny. Well, let's see what the end result is giving. No, cute hair texture, feels really nice. All I did was bleach the knots, and I did put a little bit of mousse in it. So I'm not quite sure what you how you style this. I'm just in my frost wear like cropped sweatshirt. Oh, you can't see my boobs. So yeah, this is not my vibe, but I think it's gonna be cute. So let's hit this fucking place. All right, enjoy the video. Oh wait, don't forget to subscribe, because I'll beat you up, son. Just kidding. Enjoy the video. guys, so I just changed my shirt. I have on this, I think I wore this on my channel before, with this little number, because I'm feeling very wild. I have to say, I really like this. I like this look. I like the purple with like the orange vibes, but still keeping it very neutral. I am debating if I should do one of these. So I do want to take some pictures, but like, I don't know about the two hair textures, but I think that like I need to put something in it now. Like, I love this. It's giving me very like 80s. But should I could just wet it, but then it's just gonna get like, I don't know. I wish y'all could tell me. Like, tell me what to do. I guess you can wear it either way. Like, I do love it like this, and then I also love it like this too. I feel like it's very cute. It's very like just a natural vibe. I actually like this a lot. I like this a lot more than I thought that I would. All the links will be down below. Honestly, it's giving this type of vibe. It's giving this. Okay, let me see. Let me wet it some more. I don't know if I'm supposed to put like conditioner in it. Look, why do y'all watch me? I did, you know what I also did too? I did like comb it out when I first watched it, and I probably shouldn't have did that. Okay, yeah, we're gonna put it to the side. But should we make a part? Let's see. Oh, that's all we got. That's all we're allowed to give. This is so cute. Cute, okay. Wow, I feel like an IG baddie. Like, this is the type of hair these girls be getting, and I just be like, wow, I feel like I could never pull this off. And what do you know? Long behold. Okay, so I wet it. I think what it is like I comb it too much. I'm not putting any hairspray, but I am gonna put some mousse. This is Bedhead Big Head Volume Boosting Foam. Not that it needs any more volume, but should I put conditioner? You know what's funny? When I grew my hair out, I don't know what I did to get it to be like this, but I would just put water and conditioner, and it gave me just such a nice curl. What did I do? I don't know. This is pretty. I look like a little ass kid. Like me with no contacts, and this hair is giving like youth. And this is just water. Just water and mousse. Just to like get rid of that part. Oh wow, I love this. How pretty. Wow. I look like one of my little sister's friends. Actually, she would love this hair. I'm gonna save this for her. Will I wear this again? Y'all let me know. Is this a vibe? All right, you guys. Oh, I actually love this. I love this. I love this. It's something different. I do like it wet though too. Okay, I'm just gonna, okay, all right, that's enough. That's enough. Oh, it's giving jungle girl. Well, this is the finished look. Love this hair. How cute. How cute. How cute. It's giving brown skin girl. That's enough. That's enough. Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment on what you think. I really hope you guys enjoyed the vibes. All the links would be down below. I have to say, I love this. This is such a vibe. Oh, and the link to the Glam Goth chain, I got some questions about it in my last vlog. So I am linking it down below as well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.